Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Kulshrestha, Assistant Lecturer, People's Institute of Hotel Management. So, today's topic is different types of cake icing. Any cake will not seem complete without icing over it. Here are some of the most well liked kind of icing that you can use to finish your cakes. First is butter icing. Buttercream is often and more stable than the most icings and is the preferred choice for taste and flexibility. It can be used as a filling inside cakes and also as a coating for decoration. It is made by creaming together butter and sugar. The quality of fat used will affect the taste, consistency, and appearance of the cream frosting, as also the temperature at which the butter is whipped. Next is whipped cream. It is made by cold whipping together heavy cream and sugar till light and fluffy. You could also add or use marine powder for the stability. Enhance your cake's taste by adding flavors to the cream. Royal icing. Traditionally used to cover and decorate fruit cakes, royal icing is a pure white and fluid paste that solidify into a hard outer shell on drying, made by beating together egg whites, icing sugar, and lemon juice. It looks smooth, hard. It is easily dyeable using edible food colorings. Fourth is cream cheese frosting. It comes together quickly by creaming together part buttercream frosting and a good quality cream cheese. A bit heavier than the most of the cake icing. The texture and taste are best when made with high fat cream cheese. Now, next is meringue. This very light and frothy icing is made by beating together egg white, cold water, and granulated sugar. There are three popular varieties of meringue: French meringue, Italian meringue, and Swiss meringue. The difference lies is in the method of beating eggs. Uncooked meringue can be used as pastry topping, or it can be baked until crisp and eaten like cookies. Now, last is fondant. Fondant is a popular heavy frosting that can be easily sculpted and is used mainly for celebration cakes. Basic basic fondant ingredients include water, gelatin, glycerine, sugar, icing sugar or castor sugar, and shortening. Thank you. Have a nice day.